Hello and welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix My AI not showing on Snapchat. If you don't yet have the My AI, which is the AI chatbot of Snapchat, in this video, I'm going to show you a couple of fixes that you can try out. The My AI chatbot is pinned on the top of your chat list. So if you don't have this My AI chatbot yet, the first thing that you can do in this case is update your Snapchat app. Head over to the Play Store or the App Store and then search for Snapchat. If you have not updated your Snapchat app, you may not have the My AI chatbot, so just tap on update and update your app. Once you update the app, check if this fixes the issue and if you get the My AI chatbot. If you still don't get it, then in this case what you can do is try to create a new account of Snapchat. If you don't yet have it on your main account of Snapchat that you're using, then you can try to create a different account of Snapchat and try to see if you get the My AI chatbot on the new account that you created. Now the main reason why people are not getting the My AI is because Snapchat is releasing this feature on a rolling basis, which means not everyone using Snapchat will have this feature all at once. So for those people who don't have it yet, you just need to wait out a couple of days and you should be able to get the My AI chatbot without doing anything. So that was the video on how to fix My AI not showing on Snapchat. If this video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today's video. Thanks for watching.